If I can turn it and get it done. You like that? People don't see how much I would just come off one bike. oh God. Hey Bob, one question I want to ask you. I told him I ask. He told me I ask him, why women always say them have the little bit, but yet still they want big planting. Eh? You know. He said, Dick, you tell me why they always say they have a little bit and they yet still they want big equipment. I see him think me. I see him think me think too. Because they always say they have the tight and a little bit and something. But yet still, they want big equipment. Me not see where you could have tight then. Yeah. Things are big something, no? Big something. So to the females them, we're gonna watch that video here. But you really want to know how the pencil that one day. You know always so you have the tight and a little bit something, the needle is something. But you don't want big equipment. Other one the workouts. I not to understand that one day. So I really want to know how that one the pencil. Because a lot of people they might complain about man them have small equipment and they might complain about this and that and yet still they want a big gigantic thing them. They want something big like that, so they want something like where you can you can push at your foot. So one thing you left for them say for some of them women you take a foot. You heard me right. But nevertheless, maybe I'm gonna work out that for no one. Because if you don't get up, I'll not take them bag of big equipment there. When time you know, them big equipment they gonna left for no. You have to go through hell. If you do sitting there, forget asthma, figure to get back at equipment you have to go fit. Them the passage they will not have. Because them the gully bank that go dig way, tear way, everything bad that go happen. So I want to just take time with the package you want to have. Take time with it. And about a review too much. You heard? She one of them were like big things, you know. We can't tell her that part there. Left them mind and bite here. He walk like he went over a backyard. So yes. We're up on the farm, guys.
You don't want to come and make up for it.
So your pitbull are you afraid of mongrel?
Hold him.
In that day, nothing young like a smell your foot.
You don't want to smell my foot.
She have pitbull and she afraid of mongrel dog. Me not understand that.
Me and a dog mama.
Guys, yes, reach. Platinum. Guys, look for the platinum. Planting.
Never make out still.
Make out our house. You.
See that too?
Oh.
Fine.
Yeah.
Sardine Trang. Sardine Saint Trang.
You will leave too.
Yeah, people, soon in our next vlog. Bye, guys. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video out, guys. And watch the ads, guys. It's very important. Watch the ads. Bye, y'all. That, me dah dip. Jangan lagi ya.